Kasim Mingle a Nations FC coach now the Sambia to you and some all can meaning say mind games now play and I say he really means the all can he really means the all can and it is a game no I'm say oh yeah throw in the towel against Kumasi Asante Kotoko on Sunday. Nations FC the last time only Kumasi Asante Kotoko share na the FA Cup obekai Kotoko echi omutwa Nations FC 4-2 e Baba Yara Sports Stadium. I return to the Baba Yara kwasiada enwumre but coach ne kan sembi na lack na the better side untimi nsi ni piece obehye baba obetima behye Baba Yara but kwasiada game no na behye nsem o kan na ewa ha me de be ma osisi a now Black Stars of Ghana and Nigeria game no abawe ya Ghana first match for Tuado against Nigeria ulusu by 2-1. Nigeria first half na Nigeria goal and second half omode ba ko kan ho na Ghana nya penalty na Jordan Ayew ekogina ho no obosheye Nigeria first goal no so penalty na omode share sa goal no but yenhwe coach Kasim Mingle nsema ode atodwa no o say we are doing our best we are doing our normal preparations o say we na Kotoko na ekobo but normal preparation our preparation won't be different enya de ye different preparation bia it will be very good game but the pitch will decide o say ebeye game kama pa but pitch no so be decided the better side that day with luck being on his side will win aha no na o say better team obenya luck on that day no on be wie ni o kokuma same way na aga the pitch will decide. Well, the pitch will truly decide on Sunday at Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Nations FC eba Baba Yara abishia Kumasi Asante Kotoko regional derby. It is going to be a crack of a game. What time Biensia Kwasiada Baba Yara Sports Stadium. The redemption game for Krobia Asante Kotoko.